Tycoons? I am Tycoon Leon, and this is Tycoon Network, where we specialize in trading stock options and providing education on stock market investing to help others achieve financial success. All right, now I just wanted to show you how you can use ThinkOrSwim, which is TD Ameritrade's platform. It will be switching over to Charles Schwab, but it's okay because it'll be ThinkOrSwim still. So, ThinkOrSwim, how you can use this to trade on earnings. Okay. So how can you get the best possible knowledge when you're trading on earnings? So when you go to analyze up here, you see where it says charts, and then you go to analyze. Then right down here, it will say earnings. Okay. So right over here is where you will just click whichever stock you want to look up the earnings for and the past earnings information for. So let's say Zoom. Okay. So we put Zoom in here, and now we can see exactly what happened all the way back in 2023 to now, or 2022 to now. Okay. So this was most recent. This was February. All right. Then we have May. It's showing us down here when the next earnings is. So the yellow line is the actual, which is what it actually did. And the green line is what Wall Street's assessment was. Okay. So you can see a huge beat right here, a small margin right there, huge beat, huge beat. So it gives you a visual of what happened on past earnings so that you know exactly what to do moving forward. Okay. And up here, it shows you the stock price 5 days before and 5 days after. Okay. So it will show you previous or prior to the earnings. And in the middle is the earnings day. All right. And then after, it'll show you what happened after earnings. So you see right here, earnings day, it beat big, but it was a huge drop. Okay. And then it was another drop after earnings before it started rising. So you can see what happened there. Also, right here, we have the red being the implied volatility and the yellow being the historical volatility. Okay. So you can get a visual of everything that you need to make the best possible decision on earnings day. Even if you don't know when earnings is, you can just go up here and look at any ticker and see when earnings is or when the next earnings is that they have. So for Zoom, particularly, we have May 20th. So that is just so you can see exactly what's been going on. Let's look at NVIDIA real quick, just so we can see what's with the hype train. So we got boom, close, 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 and then it started breaking away, as you can see, and it has been beating earnings with some huge margins over the last couple of quarters. So from here to here, major, as you can see. All right. We can see what happened on earnings drop. Big, big, rise and then drop. So you can see exactly what happened, and you can kind of assess what you need to do and what will happen going forward. Nothing's perfect in the market, but you can always make the best possible decision as possible. So, happy trading.